All right. So far we talked about the root chakra, sacral chakra. We talked about the solar plexus chakra last week. So this week is chakra number 4, which is the heart chakra. Now, don't think of the heart chakra as where the organ itself lies. It's not where. This is not where it's located. It's actually located in the center of your chest. So if you put your hand in the center of your chest and the other hand in the middle of your stomach, right? This is a healing session. I mean, whenever I do this, if I'm upset, I get calm. So this is a good position when you are really feeling blah, because we all have those days. You can just do that. Love yourself. Original name, it's called Anahata. That's what the heart chakra. The color for the heart chakra is green, but in a high vibration, you could see it as pink. So when the heart chakra is either blocked or weak, then you have, these are your symptoms: excessive jealousy, codependency. Codependence slows down and feeling like you must save the world. You must stay in the role of the savior. The gland associated with the heart chakra is actually the thymus gland, which is hormone production and the regulation of the immune system. So when this chakra is like aligned and it's strong, it's not weak, or it's not, if you love yourself and you are able to share that love with others, able to empathize, forgiveness and acceptance, transformation, change, the ability to grieve. If it's not blocked or weak, these are the things that you feel. These are the things that you feel when your heart chakra is open and your heart chakra is strong. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about forgiveness, even with the heart chakra. But I also feel like if some people don't want to, if they're still thinking about debating about the whole, meditation, the chakra, does it really impact all these things? Yes, it does. This is from my personal experience. So one of the things I've realized based on my experience, I feel like forgiveness is something, it's like you have to mourn. When someone hurt you, you rip your heart from your chest, the organ that is, they take it, they rip it off from your chest, they throw it on the floor, they stomp on it or rip it off in thousands of pieces, and you feel devastated and you feel like you just want to give up. You feel like you're not worthy. It's your fault. All these negative things you're thinking about. So one of the things what I did when I felt that way is I actually got angry. I got angry. Then I started accepting. Then I was able to forgive. That's what I did. Because if you are, yes, people said, oh, well, you have to forgive people. Yes, you have to forgive people, because carrying that load, what's the point of all that? You're carrying this heavy load of walking around with anger, feeling hatred and all that. Why? So I feel like I take it as of someone that died, right? That's how I have it in my head. I'm thinking about feeling betrayal and feeling hurt. I think about it as a mourning process for me in my mind. And I accepted the fact that, okay, this happened. What was my lesson? And then I will be able to forgive. So this is just something I wanted to share with you all. Is another way for me as far as forgiveness. This is what I do personally. Once again, I'm Carly with KSAV, Secretary of KSAV Vodou in Brooklyn, New York. If you have any questions, shoot us an email, ksavvodou@gmail.com. We do have Facebook page, KSAV Vodou, and all videos, KSAV Vodou YouTube. This is where you find a lot of our videos. We even have some videos that are like when we go to Haiti, when people in KSAV are doing spiritual service. There's a lot of that there too, and some other videos. So it's been a pleasure sitting here talking to you, because this is what I'm supposed to do. So I'm doing it. Thanks for listening. Until next week. Have a great one.